Josie, what's for dinner?
Yay!
Hey, Josie, what's for dinner?
Pizza.
Pizza. Do you like pizza?
Out.
You want to look at the pizza? What kind of toppings do you like on your pizza?
Pepper.
Pepper?
Yeah.
Do you like peppers? What color are peppers?
Orange.
Orange? It's true, sometimes they're orange.
Hot.
It's true, pizza's very hot. You have to be careful when it comes out of the oven.
I like it cool.
Yeah, you have to let it cool.
I do it cool. Pizza, look at this pizza. A big one.
You want a big pizza?
Yeah.
You sure don't want a teeny tiny pizza?
Yeah.
Are you getting out of your chair?
Ooh.
Oh, sweetie pie.
Ooh, I share. I share.
You're going to share with whom?
Mommy.
With mommy?
Yeah.
Are you going to share with daddy?
No.
What's on your shirt?
Turtles. Turtles. What's on my shirt?
Are you hiding? Where's Josie?
They hide.
Oh, is daddy hiding? Is that why you're doing this? Oh, yes, that's why you're doing it.
They hide.
Where's Josie? I can't see you.